Yes, sir. What's up, fellas? We're back with another one. Let me watch out before I hit that lady's car. But we are back with another one at the, same lake, one of my favorites. Gonna be throwing the Tokyo rig as usual. Starting to be one of my favorites. I got a popper on my other one. And then on my third pole, I got an all black and red rat. I'll show you once I get on the water. But we're gonna unload. I'll see. Undo the ratchy ratch. And we are out here. Okay. Yes, sir. It is 8 o'clock. I don't know if you fellas can see that. Let me see.
I didn't bring that. Tell me I left that black and mild in the truck.
It's probably about 95 degrees. I looked earlier. Let me tell you, fellas, it's hotter than 45 out here. But we're gonna make things happen. Stay tuned. All right, fellas. These are some of my baits I'm throwing. A zoom. I don't know what this is. I think this is 4.5. Maybe a 5.5. Maybe going for 6. The old Tokyo rig. The black and red rat. Can't go wrong with the trailer. I got my All Faithful on here. Last but not least,
set me up with a
my Ned rig. Weeds. Got one, Pop? On the jerkbait, huh?
Stopped it on the falls.
What is that, a pick? Nope, I thought that was a pickerel. Yes, sir. Let's go, fellas.
He's jerking it. Aggressive. Reaction bite.
Yes, sir.
Bait out here.
Boy, fellas, I can't believe how hot it is out here right now.
Look at my head.
I'm sweating. I know, that's crazy.
Oh, smashed it.
I knew they would like Rapalas and jerkbaits in here. Try telling you, boy.
I'm jerking the snot out of it. Pounding it through the weeds. Yeah.
They're here.
They're here. Look out in the deep one today.
You see the spool work, fellas? See the thumb work? Right by the boat. I wonder if I got that.
Wasn't even paying attention. That was moving the boat.
I wonder if I got that on camera. That was fire.
Huh?
That was dope.
It broke my line.
No, it did not. Your knot came out.
My whopper flopper.
Little bad boy was fighting.
Tell you right now, he hit that hard.
He did hit that hard.
Huh?
He did hit that hard.
Just reel on that slow. They didn't want it jerking. They didn't want it.
I know it.
See that other one when you reeled that one slow, you could barely hear it.
Yeah. That's why I never liked that one.
Ooh, that.
Yes, sir. Doubled up, fellas.
Yeah, but mine's gonna get me in them weeds.
Mine's in mine. I got mine in weeds too.
I just leave mine to grab it. Sounds like yours is a good one.
On that popper, boy.
There.
They love that popper in here. Let them take it for I yank too.
I didn't even get the chance to use this.
Boy, he's a heavy one.
These pliers. Look at my guppy.
Yes, sir.
Little guppy. Look at the mad right now.
What's up, fellas? And we're back with you with another one. Last night we went fishing out there 30 to 40 minutes. Seen the sky light up a couple times, which you guys probably seen already. Didn't want to take no chances, fellas. Safety always first. So we're gonna try to make things happen this morning. It's currently 4:37. Currently 4:37. Rain just stopped. I think we're gonna have some good luck. It's nice overcast, a little cloudy, a little bit of wind. A little bit of wind is always good for fishing. The sky's starting to crack, so we're a little late, but I think we'll be fine, fellas. We'll see you in a minute. Just had a hit.
That's the pound now. There you go. It's running in the deep water.
On that corporate run, boy. I tell you right now, corporate's a bad man. I told you that's the reason. Those hooks were too small. I felt nice on this pole. Yes, sir, fellas. Choked it. Yeah.
You got a Texas rig. Oh, you didn't even get it on the Tokyo.
Nope.
Too heavy, right?
Not too heavy. I ain't got the Tokyo rig for it. With a wire. Just let me rock.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I love this pole. This pole is wicked.
Love them worms in here.
Oh, can't resist them. Can't resist them.
It's a treat, too.
I'm a strong believer. Corporates are no joke. Culprits, or whatever it's called. Culprits.
That's just the style.
He's a little dink. Alright, Dad.
Got the bait pressed up against the shores.
Are you serious? These hooks are wicked.
Sharp.
The way that they're angled. Thank you, sir. Fellas, see how that's like angled like that hook? Canoe Mike Iaconelli was on yesterday. Adam? Yes, sir. Feisty boy. He ain't playing around. Look, got half of that pole in that water right there, boy. Nice one. Yo, don't that look just like a snake?
Right? You know the worms to get, boy. Trust me. Trust me.
I'm gonna grab him for you. I don't like Zoom though. I feel like Zoom don't got like no scent or nothing on it. They do fight hard in this lake. Strong. That's a nice fish. Nice like shang.
Pressure bust a pipe.
Ow!
Come here, Papa. Dream for nothing. Pressure busts a pipe.
Yes, sir. Currently 7:17, fellas, a.m.
Devastating setup. That's what you want on the toe.
I'm gonna sit there. Yeah. That's right.
But he wasn't on the shore though.
Almost look like a smallmouth.
Yes, sir. That deep water boy. Yes, sir. Come here, my daddy. Big worm.
Yes, sir.
Fudger. That's a fat one, Now, you hit that when it was sinking?
Yeah.
So them sinkers ain't too heavy. Oh no, you got the what's called. If I have to, I'll put Gary on.
Sorry, fellas. The camera wasn't on. Oh.
Yeah. Fish for here, plus. I watched that too.
He just broke my line.
You're kidding.
That is so tough.
We gotta stop.
Oh my god, I cannot believe that fish just broke my line.
Hear me? Watch your pole, buddy. We gotta stop leaving our poles out in the boat.
Oh my god, I cannot believe that just broke my line. That is so tough. I'm letting it sit there. Yep.
That's a good poop.
Yeah, it is. But see, that sounded like a gunny shot. Yes, sir.
Round.
Oh, and I thought I was recording. I was taking pictures that whole time. Ah.
But I'll tell you something right now.
Fellas, let me put you guys on, fellas. These boys right here, ball, nasty. Can't resist them. I think that was weed, really.
What I tell you, in this channel, man, they work their way out from the night and come right up here.
Can't let that yummy pass them. Boy, look at him fight. Barely hooked.
Let's go here.
Sir.
All we gotta do, see all this hydrilla out here?
Yes, sir.
What does it do? Look at there, leech. What kind of leeches are tearing his mouth up?
Oh, that's what that is?
Yeah, look.
Oh, I gotta stand up. That's crazy.
Look.
Oh, yeah. Got on about that.
That fish hit that bait twice. You see him?
Yes, sir. Hey, what's up, fellas? Today we had a crazy day. We caught some fish. We had a good day. Know what I mean? But to wrap it up for you guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Like, smash that subscribe button, and comment if you want to see more, and if you want to see it at nighttime or the daytime.